Let's have a look at the smart meeting features you can use to enhance your meeting output. Before you start a meeting, open Airtel BlueJeans desktop app. Click on the profile icon and select Meeting Settings. This will open your account on a web browser with the settings options. Scroll down to find Smart Meetings option and mark both the options, highlights and transcription. Save the changes and go back to the desktop app. Now you are all set to start using Smart Meetings features. Start a meeting. Click Apps and then click Start from Meeting Highlights. It will automatically start meeting recording. Now you can add meeting highlight of any particular duration by clicking the star icon. Click Apps to find all the highlights that you have added. You can mark any highlight as an action item, new topic, and decision by clicking the tag icon. You can also explore real-time audio transcription just by clicking the transcription option available right next to the highlights option.